2010 Nissan Rogue. Here you can wedge something like a flathead screwdriver down there, press the button, push in, and shift it. Gives you more room to work in front. Okay, then here, take your plastic trim tool, remove this piece, which just clips along the edges. Easy. Pass out. This piece comes up a little bit, but don't take it all the way out yet. Up here we have the center Bose speaker, so we need to pop that trim off. Alright, we've got that piece out. As you can see, there's just 3 clips on the back. Then up here, there's 4 Phillips screws holding in the tweeter. Go ahead and undo those with a Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and lift that out. On the speaker itself, you can push in on the tab, unplug it, and set it out of the way. Also work your way along the edges before removing. That'll help undo any existing clips. Then separate these 2 pieces down here. There we go. Then you can unplug all the clips for this. I wouldn't recommend unplugging the airbag sensor. And this will slide forward. It's being held in by the hazard button. So look back there and unplug it. Here I've cut the wiring harness just for demonstration purposes. As you can see, there's just this little clip holding in the hazard button. On the top, you push in on the tab and you wiggle that out of there. And on the radio, there's 4 Phillips screws. Then slide this forward. Start here, just push in on the clip. Looks like there's a little white piece that locks. And on this one, push in on the tab, slide that out. This one, push down, wiggle that out of there. Here on the side of this one, slide that out. There's a clip on top or on bottom. There you go.